The aerator on my sink has not been spraying nicely. There's kind of a messy stream coming out of there. So I decided that I was going to try and take the aerator out and put that in my ultrasonic cleaner. I don't know if it's going to do any good, but we're going to find out on this episode of Adventures in Ultrasonic Cleaning. The first step is to take the aerator out. The very first thing you do before taking the aerator out is plug the sink, because if you lose some parts down the drain, you're going to be in for a bad time. Now we remove the aerator. Let's try the other hand. There we go. You may need to use a tool on it. If you do, be careful because it'll scratch, so use a cloth or something. There is a piece here. It's showing up kind of orangey. That's iron deposits in the water. Nothing I can do about that. I'll push in from the bottom and get the rest of the pieces out. Next is this piece here. All the holes look clear, but you never know. And then we have the base piece, which has the actual screen in it. And the screen can come out, but I'm just going to leave it in there really, because I don't think it's going to make any difference. So now we'll get these parts in the ultrasonic cleaner. So here is the ultrasonic cleaner. This one is from Aldi that I got years ago. It's the Easy Home jewelry cleaner, but it's an ultrasonic cleaner. And you may or may not be able to see, I have all of the parts in there. I'm going to do the ring as well that screws in, because there's really no reason not to do it. Might as well. And for actual cleaning itself, I'm going to be using some mysterious yellow liquid in a yellow bottle. We'll put enough to cover it. That's plenty right there. And it's been a long time since I used this. I'm going to set it for 600 seconds or 10 minutes and turn it on. Stuff's moving around in there a bit. I guess that's a good sign. And indeed, I do see some stuff coming out, so that's good also. We'll let this do its thing. Okay, it's done. The ring looks very good. I'm going to just put the stuff in the sink because it's plugged. The screen is perfectly clear. Maybe some bubbles in it, that's about it. This black piece had gunk in it. That's gone now. And the white piece, that was orange before. Now it's white again. Wow. It still has a little orange around the center, but I don't think that's really a big deal. Anyway, let's go and reassemble this and put it back together. So with this aerator, the black piece went in with the screen on it until it hits the bottom right there. That looks fine. Then this black piece went in with the little pointy section. I don't know if you can see it or not. If I show it up close here, pointed down, which is a little counterintuitive because the white piece has a hole in it and it looks like it would fit, and in fact it does fit over that, but that's not how it went. So that went down in there. And the white piece went with the bumpy side up. There it is there. Just snaps into place. And now the washer is still in here. Barely, but it's in there. And I'll screw this back in. Now this washer is a little squirrely sometimes. So sometimes this doesn't seat and it'll spray out in places it's not supposed to. I have no idea what's going to happen. It may work, may work, it may not. I'm going to leave this thing plugged for a minute. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. That is a lot better stream than it was. Most definitely nowhere near as bad. So it looks like this was a success. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.